So we have this beautiful Harley we're working on, and the customer came in with a complaint that he swapped his radio out for a new one and it didn't sound good. So after further investigation, we find that this bike's got Hertz speakers in the bag, 6x9s here. It also has some horn tweeters here. Why horn tweeters in the bag? I have no clue, especially firing into the wheel, but they're in here. He also got some Hertz speakers here, and he had some, after looking at it, we found that he had noise on the left side, and it wasn't related to the new radio. So after a little investigation, we found out his amplifier, his Stinger amplifier, which was double-sided tape in here, had went bad.